Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about how to create custom or official emails. Not the regular Gmail or Yahoo Mail or Hotmail, those are third-party emails. We're talking about how to create official emails from your registered domain. Official emails give your businesses unique features or unique feel. When people contact you with your official emails, they have this sense of belonging, they have this sense of security that they are talking to the right person or to the right people who will either solve their problem or answer their questions. Now, to begin on how to create official emails, let us go to the control panel for your registered domain. The control panel for your registered domain have different features. We have the email section, the file section, the databases, the domains, metrics, security, or the software section, and all have you. So we're going to concentrate on the email section. Under the email section, we have email account, we have forwarders, we have autoresponders, we have track delivery, email deliverability, we have the spam filters, the address importers, email client setup, etc. But we're going to concentrate on email accounts. Probably in subsequent videos, we're going to look at how other functions of those email features, their functions actually. So, as you can see, I already have various emails created here. So the check is how I created these emails. Mind you, in this video, we're going to be creating an official email. Then in subsequent videos, we're going to look at how we can connect these emails to our Gmail so you can get notifications from your Gmail. The same way you get notification for your Gmail account, you can get notifications for these custom emails in your Gmail app or in Gmail applications or software. So for you to create an email or custom email here, you click on the create button here. When you click on the create button, you have to select the domain you want to link the email to. We have various domains here. We want to link the email to a particular domain. Just as you have yourbusiness.com, you have mybusiness.com, and we have dearbusiness.com. These are three different emails. Now you want to create an email for dearbusiness.com, you have to select the domain dearbusiness.com. Supposing you want to create inquiry Kelvin at dearbusiness.com, that is a custom email. So you select the domain you want to use from this section. Then you go down and you select the username. Now the username depends on what you want to achieve with this domain. We have contact center for customers to contact you and make inquiries. We have info for customers to make inquiries. We have inquiry at, we have hello at, we have CC, that is customer care at, and so on and so forth. So it depends on what you want to achieve with this email. We'll give you an idea of what the username will be. Username can be also the names of your staff or even your name. You can say Michael at yourbusiness.com, so that when someone is writing Michael at yourbusiness.com, they will have this sense of belonging that Michael, who is a staff in your organization, will contact them directly, or they are talking to a staff of your business directly. So it gives them this confidence that their problems will be solved or their questions will be answered to. So let's assume you are creating for info. You put info here as a username, then the domain is already here at smartribs.com. So you come down, you select your password, and make sure that the password is strong, because you wouldn't want people to hack into your emails, especially as we have a whole lot of scammers and spammers online waiting for the next email they can hack into. So when you're done with this, you click on create. Ladies and gentlemen, you have created your custom email, info at smartribs.com. It doesn't have a Gmail, it doesn't have a Yahoo name, it has your unique business name and business domain attached to it, giving it a unique feel. So for you to check this your email, you come here. We have three buttons. We have the check email, we have the manage email, and we have the connect devices. In our subsequent video, we're going to learn what happens with these connect devices. So let's go to check email. When you click on check email, for a first timer, it is going to bring you to an introductory page. This introductory page is where you select the theme, the base theme for your email. And we have two themes here. We have the round cube theme and we have the hot theme. So we are going to leave it as the default, the round cube theme. And you're going to check this box, open my inbox when I log in, so that for every time you log in, instead of bringing you to this place, it will take you directly to your inbox. And then you click open. Let's see what your inbox looks like. So this is your inbox, and this is your first email. This first email is the configuration settings for your email. It comes with the SSL and TLS settings. It comes with the IMAP settings and POP3 and SMTP requirements and authentication settings, including your username, and the password is of course encrypted. So this is your email. So once a customer writes you, you get your email, the mails in your inbox here, the mails will be in your inbox here. Then when you want to send email, you go to compose. You go to compose, you click on compose, you put the email address, the subject, and then you type the message here.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell notification icon, like, comment, and share.